So what is wire EDM and why should I care as an engineer? Well, if this is the first thing you think when you hear EDM, you've been through too many of these and not enough time in your books. While you may or may not have heard of this process, you may have seen the incredible examples of what it can make as seen here. Wire EDM is typically reserved for high-precision parts in the medical, aerospace, and optics industry, not everyday products, hence why it's relatively unknown as a process. However, as you can see, it can produce complex geometries with amazing surface finishes. And to explain how these are made, I'm going to hand it off to James.
Thanks, Adrian. Wire EDM works by using a threaded metal wire to electrically cut material. It should be noted that there is no mechanical cut, just erosion from the spark that removes metal. The spark is formed through the close proximity of the contrasting charge of the wire and metal. The machine is programmed with the desired cut and the wire is threaded to the other side of the device. EDM wire must be kept under dielectric fluid to ensure proper ionization. This fluid also acts as a way for the metallic debris to be flushed away from the cut site. Once finished, the existing wire is cut from the machine and replaced with new wire due to corrosion by sparking in the fluid. I will now pass it off to Trang to explain the capabilities of wire EDM.
Wire EDM capability, the technique can be used with any electrically conductive material, even tungsten carbide. Part dimension can be up to 62 inch tall and weighing 10,000 pounds. The wire diameter depends on the part feature, such as corner radii, with a smaller diameter is 0.0008 inches. Taper part up to 45 degrees with accuracy of plus or minus 0.0001 inches. The total precision can be as high as 2 micrometer. Wire EDM is an automatically stress-free process with program machining. The process part has a clean surface, no burrs, no deformation. Therefore, it can have the same material and labor cost. The most advanced application of wire EDM process is medical implant part.
Although extremely precise, wire EDM falls short with its operating or cutting speed. Typical speeds range from 12 to 20 inches per hour, so jobs are usually specialized and low volume. Fortunately, the choice of wire size and material type can greatly affect the wire speed. Larger and/or coated wires are used to cut at speeds of up to 50 inches per hour. The slower finishing cuts are made using smaller standard wire. Use with additive manufacturing and automation are a few challenges wire EDM faces today. During metal 3D printing, wire EDM is used in removing the piece from the base. Problems arise when unmelted metal powder gets trapped between the support material, making it tougher for the wire to cut. In automation, robotic arms are used to transfer the workpieces to and from the electrode. Anytime the robot is in contact with the fluid, it risks corrosion.
Thank you everyone for your input. Now in summary, here are the strengths and weaknesses of wire EDM as a manufacturing process.